I've got another FabFitFun box, so if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This guy in the box, this is Dexter. I'm going to move him over just a little bit. Sorry, buddy. So that I can actually get in the frame. And this is a FabFitFun box. So if you guys are into FabFitFun, come on in. Let's look at what's inside this box. Now, full spoiler, I filmed this, and afterwards, my camera was like, I don't have enough memory for this. I'm like, how do you not? Like only 70% of the memory used. So I deleted some stuff, came back on, refilming it. So these aren't perfectly wrapped like they were when I opened it the first time. But this was one of the boxes that they curated for 80 bucks. So instead of getting 3 mystery bundles for 60 bucks, I put out the extra 20 bucks for an extra box. So got rid of the mystery bundles with, maybe I would have liked stuff, maybe I wouldn't have. This, I knew I was going to like everything in here. All right, so first things first is the Williams-Sonoma Soup of the Day book. Now, I am not a big soup eater. My daughter is. If I didn't get this and she found out it existed and I didn't get it, I would have been the most selfish mom in the world. So, got that for her. From Mikasa, we have the Forged Delana carving knife and fork. And this is, I'm going to tell you, so pretty. It is stainless steel, I think. It is so simple, so classic. Love it. Fun fact, right? Back when I got married, you always got china. Like somebody got you china. My grandmother got me a china set. And it was Mikasa. It was a black one with a calla lily on it. I still have it. Almost never use it. I think I pull it out on Thanksgiving. Here is that knife. All right, how gorgeous is that? Got a nice weight to it too. Like I think this is going to work out really well. These were very pristine enough the first time. And here is that fork. So it's great because usually I use like one of the bigger serving forks. But this one here, you're going to get that knife in nice and easy to get a perfect carve. And those prongs are super sharp. So I love this. Now, I believe these are hand washed. I'm going to hand wash them. I know that. I would not put these in the dishwasher. It doesn't say. It is premium stainless steel. Next, from Pretty Cool, we have the olive oil barrette. Now, I do have a nice blue one. It's kind of got like this bottom and it's shaped like this. It's the Rachel Ray one, and it's really pretty blue, but this is a perfect fall one. And I do have multiple olive oils and multiple vinegars, like different flavors. We have this shop by us that sells them, and they're so great. Go. Here is how this looks. It matches that bowl perfectly. If you haven't seen the bowl, check out one of my videos. They'll be in that playlist below. As they start to go live, they'll be in the playlist. And then here is the stopper. By Touchland is their Golden Amber Power Essence. Now, this is going to have top notes of jasmine petals and pink lavender, heart notes of ruby amber and oak moss, and base notes of wormwood and golden musk. I want to go check this out, see if they have these at Ulta or Sephora, so I can see if I actually like the scent, because this isn't the kind of package that you can just open and close. It's actually like a sealed kind of thing. And then last, from, I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand. It's a very old brand, Fatscraft. This is their pumpkin cream, I guess. I'm not really sure. What do you call it? Casserole dish. This can go into the oven for up to like 450, I believe. You can go in the dishwasher. I would probably hand wash it. I also don't know if the lid can go in there. I wouldn't put the lid in there. I would cook it in there. Imagine making like, I'm not a soup person and I don't like onions, but a French onion soup in here. How amazing would that be? For your stuffing on Thanksgiving. Okay, so that was that box. Mostly home stuff. They had some amazing home stuff this time around. I hope you guys got your hands on some. You can probably still get a fall box. I don't know if you'll be able to curate it or not. I'm not sure what happens after like seasonal access if you purchase one, if you can still curate one or not, or if you just get whatever they send you. But great, great items. And they may still have these boxes in the shop. So if you already have FabFitFun and you want to pick up one of these extra boxes because you didn't get the stuff, you weren't sure what it was going to look like, they have sales going on every week. There's a new sale. Sales start on Thursday, they end on Tuesday, and then they always have their shop. So sometimes they will have these left over, or you can always get a mystery box of the fall curation and take chances. Maybe get one of these things. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.